How to play Roblox, please donate in 2023 and set up your own stand. Let me walk you through it. So if you would like to set up your own stand just like this, where people would be able to donate to you, you will either need to create a t-shirt or a game pass. In this case, I'm going to walk you through how to create a game pass. So the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to your browser to roblox.com and click create in your dashboard. Now, if you click create and you are not landing onto the creator dashboard, then what you can do is you can search for Roblox creator and click through onto creator dashboard. Now, once you are in the creator dashboard, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are in experience. Click through into your experience, and here on the left hand side, click on associated items. Here in associated items, navigate to passes. And as you can see, I already have 2 passes, the ones you saw in the game. So in order to create one of these, you click create a pass. Then you need to upload an image. After you upload an image, you give it a name and you click create pass. So now that you created a game pass, you need to put it on sale and give it a price. So click through onto your created game pass, make sure that you click on sales, and here list the item for sale. And now it's going to ask you to give it a price. So you can give it any price you want. The important thing here to note is that you are going to keep 70% of the earnings, right? And Roblox is going to keep 30%. So if you are listing this for 10, you're going to receive 7 Robux. So let's say that I'm going to list this for $30, sorry, 30 Robux, and I'm going to click save changes. So now that I have saved these changes, you want to give it a minute and then you want to go back to your game. So now to set up your stand, you want to walk to an unclaimed stand and click and hold E. This is going to claim your stand. Now you can see that I don't have the third one yet because it's still processing, but it's going to be there just in a second. And if you would like to change the text here on top, you can click on this edit button right here and you can put any text you want and click on apply. As you can see, now it is how to internet. And by the way, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, you should subscribe. And this is how you play Roblox. Please donate and enable other people to donate you for your work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.